Today, we're highlighting some of the 2025 regional winners of the Environmental Stewardship Award. Let's meet the winners from Florida.
Love of this land is what I've always had. Every action we do supports open space, clean water, and better beef. My name is Mark Overstreet. We call this ranch the M&D Overstreet Ranch. The M&D stands for Mark and Debbie, which is my wife. I don't know what I'd do without her. She's been a godsend.
Mark really has no limits. If he sets his mind to do something, he's gonna do it. There isn't gonna be any stopping him. He's gonna find a way to complete the job.
We met by accident. And here was the tragic event that occurred. Mark was in his pickup truck with a friend, and he had his .30-30 rifle in the back window. And he hit some kind of a pit or a hill or a bump. The rifle fell out, discharged, and shot him in the back.
I learned at a very young age, especially when I got shot in the back and got put in a wheelchair, that I learned that land didn't quit on me and I'm not gonna quit on it. We had a piece of property up there on the river. It was about 560 acres. We sold that in '82, gave the money to the University of Florida, and started up the spinal cord research.
The first land that was quote unquote protected here was actually taken through eminent domain. I think what most stands out to me about Mark and the M&D Overstreet Ranch is this whole story, because it could have very well been one about tragedy, governmental overreach, and urbanization. But instead, it's a story of triumph, of philanthropy, and of conservation.
Mark has conservation in his DNA. He believes in protecting the land from inappropriate growth.
We want to keep running cattle on this. We don't want to sell it off so that, somebody could come in here and put a business or a gas station or subdivision. It needs to stay just the way it is.
Strong grass makes strong cattle.
We are here on approximately 1,000 acres where we have it pastured off, where we can rotate cattle from one field to another to make sure that the grasses don't get overfed, so that he can give the grasslands and the pastures the rest that it needs to properly grow back.
You have to rotate cattle from field to field, because if you eat it down too low to the ground, when it tries to come back, what happens? You've taken away all the grazing. Debbie and I love this ranch because it gives us the freedom to be out in the open spaces.
Mark and I hope that it stays just the way it is, so that our grandkids can continue to run the ranch and that they will enjoy it like we do.
My grandfather taught me to leave the land better than I found it. And that's what I intend to do.